Good afternoon. What is your name?
My name is Daisy.
And how? Kaden, jumping Jim says? Very good.
The fish.
Good.
Cat.
Try again. CH make what sound?
Sheep. In. Rabbit.
Can you read this?
Egg cat. Egg pig. Egg pig. Egg shake. Got.
English ways has a wait has finger space finger space big big.
Susan, whenever you're ready.
Just look at you sitting there in the same old chair, he cried, and you shrunk so much your feet are dangling in the air. Morning everyone. Today I will be talking about my favorite book. My favorite book is from the Magical Animal Friends series, Isa Where the Wind Breaks the Ice by Daisy Meadows. The main characters are Jess, Lily, Dodie, and Isa Where the Wind. I strongly recommend this book, not only because it is interesting to read, but it also teaches us lessons like friendship, courage, and more. Thank you for listening.